up on our trip was Mungyeong Saejae. This famed historical road was frequently used throughout history as it's the major road leading towards Seoul. This area of Mungyeong Saejae is very commonly used as a filming location for historical film and dramas. It was fun to explore the grounds and the buildings for ourselves. Next we arrived at the Omija theme park. Not a roller coaster type theme park, but a themed park. The theme being the local delicacy, Omija berries. We had the chance to bake and decorate Omija cupcakes as part of our experience. Then we walked down to the Mungyeong Ceramic Center.
I'm going to show you the museum and explain about the traditional potteries in Mungyeong. Okay?
We had the chance to see both old and new pottery, as well as hear about the process that goes into making it. Korean potters are strict perfectionists. Any mistakes leads to the entire pot being destroyed. After this, we had a go for ourselves with a pottery class.
1, 2, 3 이렇게 하다 보면 이렇게 앞쪽 뒤쪽.
I think if a Korean potter were to have made a bowl like mine, they'd have destroyed it. But it was fun to make anyway. And this is where the day ended. We made our way back to our hometowns, reflecting on the fun that we had.